There's no question that LinkedIn feels different right now. Many of us have noticed our reach is falling even when we create thoughtful posts. The numbers just aren't there. At the same time, fake profiles are multiplying. AI-generated content fills our feeds, and engagement pods create artificial spikes in activity that don't translate into trust. It's no wonder people are questioning whether LinkedIn is worth the effort, and some even deciding to go to platforms like Substack in search of more authentic engagement. But here is the point. Chasing the algorithm won't fix this. We can't control it, and no amount of second guessing will change it. What we can control is how we show up and the relationships we build. Visibility that lasts comes not from tricks, but from trust, consistency, and genuine connection. That's why in our last Linkability Insights live stream, I brought together 3 experts from very different contexts to explore what relationship building really looks like and how we can carry those lessons back onto LinkedIn. The world of in-person networking, and the genius who does this all the time, Roy Kowarski, shared why deeper, fewer conversations matter more than chasing breadth. As he put it, he would rather leave a networking event with 5 meaningful connections than a stack of 100 business cards he'll never use. His mantra is powerful. Show people how interested you are in them before telling them how interesting you are. Roy also made a point about sending personalized video messages to new connections. He says it's a small gesture that sets him apart in a world of automated invites. From the world of online networking communities, Sigrid de Kaste emphasized clarity and consistency. Her fast-growing membership model works because people show up regularly, commit to the process, and genuinely get to know one another. She advises us to be crystal clear about who we serve, to make our offers specific, and to outline the steps forward. And she reminded us that visibility isn't just about posting, it's also about supporting others, sharing their work, and creating opportunities for them to shine. And from the world of recruitment, Felipe Cofino gave us a perspective that every job seeker and professional can benefit from. He reminded us that the best time to start networking isn't when you need a role, but long before. In recruitment, referrals are consistently the strongest source of hires, proof that trust drives opportunity. Felipe also shared 5 traits that make people visible in meaningful ways: confidence, curiosity, gratitude, compassion, and tenacity. These human qualities are what cut through in a sea of AI-generated sameness. Together, these insights lead us to one clear conclusion. The algorithm may shift daily, but relationships outlast those changes. They create visibility that's rooted in trust, credibility, and generosity, the kind of visibility that gets you remembered months or even years later. And that's why this conversation matters so much right now. If we continue to pour our energy into chasing something we can't control, frustration is inevitable. But if we shift our focus to building genuine human relationships, showing up consistently, with clarity, with generosity, we can create visibility that isn't dependent on an algorithm. In the end, the algorithm doesn't buy from you, people do. And people respond to authenticity. That's the constant that will always cut through.